Welcome to your Renati OS device. Let's walk through how to enable the factory reset on inactivity feature to destroy your data in the event of a loss or theft. First, go to Settings, scroll down to find Security, go to Factory Reset on inactivity, and select your interval from 7 to 60 days. Renati knows the last time it was successfully unlocked, and if that hasn't happened in your set time period, the system will trigger the automatic factory reset. It doesn't need to be online to work, and it'll delete all your local data in the process. If you made ChatMail contact and note backups, those will be stored on our servers and fully encrypted so we can't even read them. The only other data we have are basic account details. After the wipe's complete, Renati will launch into the setup process. You can view our setup tutorial or follow us for more tips to make the most of your secure, trusted companion.